kind of something takes a lot of practice. You got to put a lot of time and effort into it, just like my career. I didn't learn how to kick a ball overnight. I've grew up kicking a soccer ball as a kid in South Africa, and I wouldn't even want to try to guess how many hours I spent trying to perfect that skill. I was very privileged to play in the NFL for 23 seasons. I think only one or two players played one more season than that. I played for 5 different teams, starting with the Pittsburgh Steelers, the Philadelphia Eagles, the 49ers, the Minnesota Vikings, and my last team I played for was the Tennessee Titans. I was very fortunate when I retired. I was the all-time NFL's leading scorer. But hey, I'd much rather talk about fishing than football. Fly fishing is very similar. To be good at it, you've got to put a lot of time and effort, patience. I love the quietness of the boat, how you can sneak up on an unsuspected fish without him having any idea that you're there and be able to get a good cast at him. Perhaps my favorite feature of the boat is just the incredible stability that the boat has. The fact that I'm able to go from the comfortable seat and sitting down to quickly be able to stand up, that's a huge advantage. The quality of the boat is absolutely superb. I've owned many boats over the years, and I can tell right away that my 285, the quality of the pontoons in particular, is going to last a long time, and just in general, the quality of the material used in the boat. I expect to have many years of happy fishing in my 285.
How many fish do you think you've caught in your life, Gary?
Oh, somewhere in the thousands, maybe millions. So far, yeah, I've caught 67 in the last couple of weeks. I keep a detailed diary. These are some of the biggest cutthroat trout I've ever caught in my life. And there's some massive rainbows. I caught one was over 10 pounds the other night. They fight like crazy, so it's about the size of the fish. And the fact that they're eating these bugs off the surface, it's really exciting. It's going to happen here in a second. One of them's going to come up and hammer this little fly on the surface and make a big splash. I caught a couple of these bugs a few years ago. Took them home, took a close photo, and then I sit at my vise and try to match them as best as I can. It always adds to the level of excitement when you catch fish on the fly that you've not only tied, but invented as well. And when they get on the surface, they're looking for mates, and they really skitter around and make quite a big commotion on the surface. So that's what I'm trying to imitate with the movement of my flies. He rose right there. He didn't hit them. Oh, he took one about 6 feet away from mine. Oh, there he is again.
Did you fish for that one fish?
A lot of casts.